Okay, YouTubers, I'm going to do a video on how to pull the power washer check valve. I seen a video just a little while ago that a man named Rumpel, I think that's how he pronounces it, it's spelled Hrumple. He did a video back in June of 2013 on how to rebuild the water pump. So I'm not going to do it. This ain't going to be a full rebuild video. I just found something interesting on how to pull these guys without drilling them out. This has probably been done before, I don't know, but I couldn't find nothing on YouTube on how to do it. So I didn't want to drill. I didn't want to put a drill bit in there and risk damaging anything. So these things are plastic. All this is plastic. I got this bright idea that I would take a piece of baling wire and heat it up with some MAP gas and just go inside and touch one side, touch the other side, which would break it in half. And it did, but it took a while, and a lot of people, I don't know, maybe have a better idea. But then I took the screwdriver and put it down the inside, and then I touched from one side to the other. It seemed to be more efficient. But the one thing that I found made it a whole lot easier is I found that you don't even have to burn all that out. They just pop out. You can see I got this one here out. He just popped right out. And I'm going to show you how I did it. Let me use this for illustration. But take my screwdriver and I'm going to go in on the edge. Let's see. I'm going on the edge here. And what my goal is to come in right here on the edge and just twist and turn and pry that sucker up halfway, and after that it's off to the races. So I'm gonna do that here in front of you, and hopefully this works when I'm doing the camera. So you see that one's sitting down in there. I'm gonna go in on one side. I'm twisting the screwdriver. I know you can't see that, but you can see that he's popped out sideways a little bit. I'm gonna do a little bit more. And there he is. He's ready to pop out. Of course. So we're gonna take these guys here. Go in and grab it. And there it is. Of course it's going to be damaged. You're going to replace it anyway. But that's it. So that's basically, and then these guys here, I think I got them all out already. And these guys here, how I got these out was I took my baling wire and I took the ends and I turned them inward. Okay, then I bent them in half. Like so. And then went in and grabbed the top. fit around there, and just popped it right out. You might even be able to get away with just going in with one, hooking onto it, and just popping it out. So anyways, that's my video. I just wanted to give a shout out to this guy who made the video, and show that I come up with a little idea of not being able to come up with a drill bit. So shout out to HRUMPLE Rumple. He did the video called Power Wash Check Valve Replacement. If you want to look him up, I'll try to leave the description in below so you can watch his full repair video. I hope this was able to help someone. Have a good day.